The OnePlus 15R arrives with a familiar promise: flagship-level performance, thoughtful design, and a user experience that feels refined rather than flashy. On paper it looks formidable, pairing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset with 12GB of RAM, a generous 256GB of storage, and a huge 7,400 mAh battery. In everyday use, it largely delivers on that promise, positioning itself as a powerful yet approachable smartphone for users who want speed, stamina, and polish without unnecessary complication. Design-wise, the 15R feels reassuringly premium from the moment you pick it up. The charcoal black finish is understated but elegant, resisting fingerprints better than expected and giving the phone a clean, professional look. Despite the large 6.83-inch display and substantial battery, OnePlus has managed to keep the phone feeling balanced in the hand. It's not a compact device by any means, but the slim profile and well-considered weight distribution prevent it from feeling unwieldy during prolonged use. Buttons are satisfyingly tactile, and the overall build quality inspires confidence. The AMOLED display is one of the phone's standout features. At 6.83 inches with a 165Hz refresh rate, it's expansive, fluid, and a pleasure to look at. Scrolling through social feeds, browsing the web, or gaming feels effortlessly smooth, while colors are vibrant without being oversaturated. Brightness levels are strong enough for outdoor use, and the high refresh rate adds a subtle but noticeable sense of responsiveness that quickly becomes hard to give up once you're used to it. Performance is exactly where you'd expect it to be with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 at the helm. Everyday tasks are handled without hesitation, from multitasking between apps to more demanding workloads like gaming or photo editing. The 12GB of RAM provides plenty of breathing room, keeping things running smoothly even with several apps open in the background. Importantly, the phone remains well controlled under pressure, with heat management that avoids the uncomfortable warmth some high-performance devices struggle with. Battery life is another area where the OnePlus 15R are truly impressive. The 7,400 mAh battery is substantial, and in real-world use it translates to comfortably lasting a full day and well into the next for most users. Heavy usage, including streaming, gaming, and navigation, doesn't induce the usual anxiety about finding a charger by early evening. It's a phone designed for people who rely on their device throughout the day, rather than tiptoeing around battery percentages. The 555 camera system offers a dependable, well-rounded photography experience. Images are sharp, with pleasing color accuracy and solid dynamic range and good lighting. Low light performance is respectable, producing usable shots without excessive noise or overprocessing. While it may not redefine smartphone photography, it's reliable and consistent, which is often more valuable in daily use than occasional standout results. In conclusion, the OnePlus 15R is a confident, well-executed smartphone that focuses on delivering a strong all-round experience. Its combination of powerful performance, an excellent display, outstanding battery life, and thoughtful design makes it an appealing option for users who want a device that simply works, and works well. It may not chase gimmicks or dramatic reinvention, but its strengths lie in refinement, reliability, and balanced qualities that make it easy to recommend to anyone seeking a premium Android phone that feels genuinely satisfying to use.